I suspect you've already heard of Crepioca. It's a mix of crepe and tapioca. It's cool because people who don't eat gluten can have it. It's a lighter recipe, an option for you to swap out your eating bread or replace the meal. You can feel it however you like. If you don't have tapioca starch in your city, you'll find another alternative to make it with cassava starch. Let's start by beating an egg well. Now we add 2 tablespoons of tapioca starch, 2 tablespoons of grated Parmesan cheese, 1 tablespoon of parsley, and a pinch of salt. Mix well. On low heat, heat a frying pan with a good non-stick surface and add the batter. Make circular motions until the batter cooks and then you flip it. When it's well cooked, carefully remove the batter. If you enjoyed our video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking on the little pot and also leave your like down below. Crepioca is already delicious with cheese, parmesan, and rolled up, but you can add a filling if you like.